Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see if you have iPhone and you want to reduce any photo size or image size or scan document size in your iPhone very easily. No need to use third-party application, no need to upload somewhere your documents using your iPhone. You can very easily reduce the file size, convert the like a JPG to PNG or PNG to JPG using the tips and tricks. How to do it? Let's see. As a demo point of view, I will show you using my iPhone. My iPhone screen is coming here. I just simply enter here in the file section. So look at this here. One of the file size is a 1.7 MB. I want reduce this file size. It's very easy. I just simply press here long, scroll down, and here the quick action button is showing. If you tap here, so here the rotation right left convert image to as a PDF, and second thing is convert as an image. Look at this here. You can convert this file PNG, JPG or HEIF as well. If I tab here JPG and say large, so look at this, the file size is a totally changed 171 KB. Like original file is 1.7 MB and I convert as a KB perspective. If you increase the size, again we tab here, quick convert, and now I just simply select here PNG and say large, and the file size of 1.1 MB is increase the size. It's very easy. And second thing, the pixel is not change or not disturbing anything. Original pixel you are receiving using this tips and tricks. Sometimes if you have question, okay, this is the I save this file in file folder, but you can capture any of the photo and you can decrease the size of this one or increase the size. It's easy. Share this one, and here we can save this file. First of all, you need to save this file in file folder. Afterwards, you can very easily apply this process. So you need to always save this file in the file section. So here is the file. I just simply press here, quick action, then convert, then JPG, large, and the file size originally is 1.9 MB, and afterward the file size is 188 KB. Using the tips and tricks, using your iPhone, you can very easily convert as a JPG to PNG, PNG to JPG, and reduce the file size as well using the tips and tricks. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.